Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture without losing likes. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook app. After that, tap on Menu on the top right corner, and then tap on See Your Profile on the top. Once you're here, you need to tap on your profile picture. Here you'll get to see multiple options. Tap on the first one to see your profile picture. And here, as you can see, the previous likes are here. And if you swipe through, you will get to see your previous profile pictures as well. Now, go back. After that, tap on your profile picture once again. Tap on Select Profile Picture. One thing you should keep in mind is that if you choose a picture from your camera roll, it will have 0 likes and comments. So, in order to retain the likes and comments from before, you need to use a previously uploaded picture. The reason behind this is that if you upload a new picture, Facebook will see it as a completely new picture, and your previous likes and comments on the picture will not be visible on the new picture. So to avoid that, you need to swipe through and go to Uploads. Here, you will get to see all the pictures you have uploaded previously. So just select the one that you want and adjust it accordingly. If you don't want your friends to know about your new profile picture, then you can disable the Share Your Update to Newsfeed option. Then tap on Save on the top right and refresh your feed. Now tap to open your new profile picture. As you can see, it still has the previous likes and comments. So that is how you can change profile picture without losing likes.